Hi everybody and welcome back to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame and this is my jam. I just have an unboxing here for you today again. This one is something that I've been waiting for, or I've been wanting for a super long time. I just didn't want to pay the money. I don't know if you can tell, it is actually a pair of shoes. And they're from DSW, but they are Luxe. And I had no idea that DSW would have any luxury brand shoes. And it turns out that they do have some. What I got here, and I think they have Dior as well. Not 100% sure on that one. But they for sure had this, and this was less than half price of what I've ever seen these shoes going for before. So I didn't know about this until I was watching Winnie of Winnie BLV. You know, don't tell him, if you see my husband, don't tell him nothing. I love her, so I'm not trying to make fun of her or anything. Just think she's awesome. Because of her, I decided to take a look at the DSW website, and I am so glad I did. I am so glad because I got these. Let's see. Let me try to get here. I love my t-shirt. It's from Tora. Bag of t-shirt. In case here. Bag of the day. This one. LV multicolor. Is it the Lodge? Probably one of my favorite bags ever. Got it from Fashion Town. Love it. I have hauled it already on a different video. And I got this today. It's a wooden rose. And I'm going to use that to try to open up the package today. So I don't know how these are going to come, if they're going to come in dust bags or anything like that. I don't really care because I would not store them in dust bags. But, okay, so here's my packing slip. Okay, well, this is interesting. Cats are really heavy. So there's that box. They come in this box right here. And I watched Winnie B's whole video, and because of that, I'm normally about a size 8. I like getting size 8 because I know they'll fit in any brand there is, and then I don't have to try them on. But I do fit into 7.5 if I'm really making sure my shoes fit, tennis shoes wise. There's a hint. And so I did size down because she said they ran big. So I just sized to a 7.5. So I'm hoping they're going to work. Okay, so they do come in the nice Gucci box. Yeehaw! I'm so excited. Okay, this is nice. So a little Gucci box. It's not going to stand up by itself. Got a pair of tennis shoe ties. What it's true, like it says, words are hard. It says Gucci on it. Got my Gucci little tags here. I'm so excited. And some more Gucci. Oh my gosh. They do come with a dust bag. Dust bags. One for each shoe. Oh my stars. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So here's what I got. And I knew I wanted a pair of white Gucci tennies, but I really wanted this shiny back on them. It's what I wanted. I don't know why. It just really appeals to me. And then the other one has red on it. So it's the same logo here with the red. I was going to get men's shoes, but they had women's. So I'm just hoping these still run small as well. I cannot believe this. Oh my gosh. So these were just under $400 before tax. So here's what they look like. There's the bottom. Let's see, there's a little sticker or something on there. Let's just try to, I want to make sure they seem new. Yep, definitely both look the same. Pure white here. So what I'm going to do then, and I had heard that oh my gosh, is this fancy? It just says Gucci right here, and they slide out. I'm just so excited. Wow, this is nice. I had heard that these can be a little hard, but this doesn't feel bad at all. So I'm gonna pause you for a minute, and then I'm gonna try these on. Let's see what they say on the bottom here. 30. Okay, 37.5. So that would be right. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna pause you for just a minute, and then we'll see how these fit, and I'll show you as long as they fit. So be right back with you. Okay, here we go. They did fit. I'm not used to shoes fitting me good, so it's a little weird, but they look so sharp. Here's that. Here's this one. My left foot's definitely bigger than my right foot, I can tell, because the right foot, when I walk, my heel's almost about to come out. But left is just in there nice. I would say these definitely fit. I'm not going to go back and get a different size. And I know they'll stretch out too because they're leather, but just look at me. This is so cool. I am so cool. I just got my first luxury pair of tennies, and I just love these. These are so sweet, and I have a thick pair of socks on with these too, so there you go. There's my little Gucci haul. So, I'm so excited. I can do another haul later if you guys ever want, just to let you know how they worked out and everything. But I think sizing down or to my normal size, yeah, it's good foot-wise and everything, was a good idea. And so, yeah, I am just super, super pleased. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. Wouldn't mind at all if you subscribed. In fact, I'd really appreciate it. I'm also on Instagram under Jame23, and I will just say, until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you, and talk to you soon. Bye.